Lolo. All right, Zach, tell us about your scoot.
So I just got this. This just came in the mail yesterday, and this is the Inmotion Climber. I kind of wanted something because I've had scooters before that don't struggle so bad up hills, and apparently this one is a lot better for that. I think it goes 24 miles per hour, and it has 45-mile range. So I wanted to have one that, and it's got little blinkers. Look at that. It's been pretty fun. This is my actual first real ride with it, so we're gonna see. I've kind of just went up and down and saw how fast it can go. It's pretty nice. Build quality is pretty good too. Look at that welding job.
And then we also have the NIU, which is my scooter. This is the KQi3, or the KQi3. And yeah, my scooter has a top speed of about it's like 18, 19, and I think about a 31 or 32 mile range. I do have dual disc brake, front and rear disc brake, regenerative braking. I have mine set up too to where I don't have to give it any throttle, or sorry, I don't have to be moving to start going. I can just instantly press the throttle and go. So a lot of really good features. All of our scooters are close to the same price too. Zach's is the most expensive, dual motors.
I know it's a HiBoy KS4 Pro. I feel like after tax it ended up being about $420-ish, something around there. Brakes right here.
Yours is also a single brake like Zach's.
Single brake. It actually has lighting on one of these sides. There's LED lighting, which is nice. The brakes are smooth. It's great. It has sports mode. It has a headlight on it. You can lock it through the app. It's great. It is a good bike.
I think we're similar top speed. I think you and I are both like 18, 19.
Yeah, I think I hit about 19 on the fastest end usually. I think I've hit 20 going downhill.
All right, let's go. We can go the back way.
Because I bought a scooter like 5 years ago.
So just go straight out the end of the parking lot. All right, Zach, do a flyby. You know you want to. Oh yeah, he's got some extra speed. Are you full throttle right now?
Oh, he's trying to race.
All right, so I think Tyler's top speed right now. I'm maxed out. I'm actually I'm at 21.
Damn, 21's crazy.
Tyler must be close. Tyler, are you at 21? 19. Oh, I'm at 21. Maybe I'm not actually at 21. Yeah, mine says 21, but Tyler's saying 19. So my speedometer might be a little off because I'd probably guess this is probably closer to 19 or 20. All right, here we got our uphill test. I'm catching up to Tyler.
At 18.
I'm at 20, it says. Oh yeah, you're about to get passed up. I'm at 18. 19, all right, we're going back up. Yeah, so we're kind of in order of speed, it kind of seems like. It seems like Tyler and I are honestly about the same. Mine has a little bit more hill advantage. Zach's clearly, with the dual motors, more watts overall. What'd you say? Oh. Zach, there's a car behind. No, I was kind of getting that, like on the long straightaway. I feel like on a sidewalk though, this would be like lightning. Dude, going on a turn feels so good. Yeah, it is nice.
Are we gonna bring back some caffeine for Matt?
All right, we did our Thornton's run. Zach's got the bag, literally. I'm hoping he doesn't spill my slushy everywhere. Told him to keep it upright. But you can honestly see, it's mainly just Zach's that's like slightly faster. Tyler's and I are pretty close in speed. It's one of those things where it's really just get the feature set that you want. Tyler's is cool because his has solid tires. You never have to worry about inflating them. It is a little bit more, yeah, that was important for him. It's a little more of a bumpy ride for him, but he never has to worry about any maintenance, any flats, anything like that. Zach and I both have maintenance tires, so they do have inner tubes that in theory we will have to replace at some point. And on top of that, we have to keep them inflated. Yeah, my hill climbability is a little better. Yeah. A little better. Zach's just zooming. We got the downhill. Yeah, you can see mine just kind of stays pegged at like 21. I don't really know if it's going 21. All right, so we're just gonna go straight, all right?
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh, he's taking off. That was actually closer than I thought it would be.
You know, it makes sense though.
No, mine definitely has the advantage of like the not having a kick. Yeah, because I was watching you guys were still like starting to go and mine was already going.